Yeah, yes. It's very citrusy. The lotion is giving citrus. Oh man, this is so good. Hello friendos and welcome to my channel. I am beedee, and if this is your first time here, hey girl, you look cute. And if you are a returning viewer, a subscriber to the beedee presents channel, what's goody? Okay, here we are again, back at it again with the back at it again, and I am so happy to see you. I took a little bit off, just a few days. You know, I don't like to stay away too long from y'all because I love you. And now that we are here together, how's it going? Is it going well? It's going well, so that you know I love to hear that because you deserve it. Now, if it's not going well, you know what I always say: push through and give it to God, because God is gonna carry you. You're right here, and you need to get to here, and God is gonna lift you up and carry you here, but you gotta release it to Him and let Him know, hey, I can't carry this all by myself. He's gonna step right in, okay? He don't want us trying to do it all by ourselves. That's not the point of this whole thing. It's to give it to Him, to know that you have a friend not only in Him, but y'all got a friend in me, okay? And I'm praying for you, and I know that you will be okay. And now that we're here together, let's just kick back, relax, and have a good time, you know what I mean? Now you see what happens when you are a subscriber to the beedee presents channel. You get a bit of an elevated, enhanced reading. And I want that for all of y'all. But you know what? There's this little thing. It's a little button, and they put it on, like, it's no way that I can control it. They kind of like put it on all the videos, and it just will allow the patrons through the YouTube channels to go ahead and subscribe, so that when, you know, a content creator such as myself presents a little video to you, you know, beedee presents, you'll be like, oh, I know her. I've seen her in the parking lot. Now that's a deep cut. If you get that reference, a million stars. But anyway, if you subscribe, you know, next time you'll get the greeting and you'll be like, yeah, that was for me, you know. But now that we got all of that out of the way, chillo friendos, we are back, and I am excited because y'all know it's been a little ping pong situation here on the channel with the Victoria's Secrets and the Bath and Body. Now y'all know I'm Bath and Body to the core, you know that. But this Victoria's Secret has been doing the doing things, and I'm here for it, okay? I want the new, and she's like, guess what? I got it for you. What are you waiting on? So today I'm gonna be talking about the Splash collection, okay? Every season, Miss Victoria will come out with the 4 core scents that we know and love. We're talking Bare Vanilla, we're talking Pure Seduction, we're talking Velvet Petals, we love that, and Miss Love Spell, which we all grew up on. And she will revamp them a little bit and come out with flankers, different variations of those core scents every season. I talked about her winter, like fall collection. I will link the video in the description box, but this is the thumbnail. If you haven't checked that video out, be sure to do it at your leisure. Be sure to do it at your leisure later on. But today I'm talking about this spring collection. It's the Splash collection, and it is your favorites with a splash of aquatic notes, okay? So for this collection, I went ahead and purchased 2 of the 4 scents. You know I'm a big proponent of only buy what you like, and I purchased during a promo. So I believe they were each $7 and the retail is $19.95. And no ma'am, no ham, we're not gonna do that because there's always gonna be a promo, there's always gonna be a deal. So definitely check for the deals, follow them on Instagram, sign up for emails. If you already have like a VS credit card, you probably get coupons in the mail. So definitely, you know, use your coupons, your promos to your advantage, okay? We like to save coin around here because the more coin we save, you put it in a piggy bank, and then we could buy like a sandwich or something, or like some pizza, because I like to eat, okay? So yeah, my money is gonna go to food. But anyway, so I'm gonna talk about the notes for all the scents, even the ones that I didn't purchase, because I did smell everything in the store, even though I didn't pick up everything. So let's start with Bare Vanilla. So Bare Vanilla Splash is categorized as a fresh floral gourmand. The notes for it are coconut flower, iridescent lotus, and dewy vanilla. When I smelled bare vanilla in the store, to me it wasn't very different from the original bare vanilla. Like, it smelled fresh, but it wasn't so much of a variation that I was like, ooh, okay, I need to go ahead. It was just, you know, if you are already a fan of the OG, then this one won't disappoint. I think there might have been a little bit of an enhanced coconut that I recall from it, and I was like, this is nice, but definitely not something that is a part of like my fragrance wardrobe on a normal, regular basis. So I was just like, you know what, I'll leave that for the gourmand girls. But if you are someone that loves bare vanilla and you just like to collect them all, Pokemon, then go ahead and check that one out. And then the other scent that I didn't pick up, but I did smell in the store, was Velvet Petals. Now, traditionally, I love anything Velvet Petals, and this one was difficult, I will say. I was like, ooh, should I get it? I don't know. But we'll get into the notes. They categorize this one as an aquatic floral gourmand. It has jasmine sparkle, pink lemon, and sea amber. It was fire. It was the traditional floral that you recall from Velvet Petals. I do remember the jasmine. I'm a person that loves jasmine and sandalwood. I know those are kind of like, either you love them or you hate them. I love sandalwood and things. I love jasmine parrot things. So I really did like Velvet Petals Splash. It's probably something I'm gonna pick up at a later date, I'm not gonna lie, but it wasn't something that I was immediately like, ooh, I need to take this home. But of the two that I did pick up, we can talk about the notes for those. So I went ahead and picked up a Love Spell. Now I know, if you grew up with Love Spell, you probably hate it, okay? Because you're like, I've smelled this for a million years. What is the big idea? The big idea is that it don't smell like the original right here. That's the big idea. And we're gonna go ahead and talk about the notes first. So the category for this is fruity fresh. Now right there, those are my two bags. I love a fruity and I love a fresh. You put them all together and you got a fruity fresh, you know what I mean? And I love that for us. So the notes are raspberry glisten, peach tea, and pomelo drip. We can get into the packaging. All the packaging has this aquatic, watery, under the sea, giving Little Mermaid teas vibe, and I'm pretty sure that was like the thought process behind it, right? The movie's coming out, you want to capitalize on the marketing with that, you know, the vibes. But anyway, very, very cute. I love this nice sea blue. It's in this metallic wrap on the bottle, beautiful blue cap. Of course, keeping with the traditional purple for the Love Spell, so you get the vibe, and it gradients into purple. Love that, and it's clear. It's like everything you want. So that's beautiful, and as you know, I love the bottles at Victoria's Secrets. I just think they're so pretty and girly, and I love them. So I love the packaging on the Fine Fragrance Mist, and then on the lotion, again, we have more graphics. We have some flashes of metallic with these little like little dots they put on here to symbolize something, I don't know. We have some florals on here, some flowers, we have some raspberries. It's very, you know, ethereal. I love it. Now we gotta get into why I bought it. I'm thinking Love Spell, you know what that smells like. It smells like all of our 8th grade dreams, you know what I mean? I was like, this one, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna blow me away, but when I tell you that it did, it did. Scent test, because you know the vibe. It is so good. So Love Spell is there. It's an underlying faint Love Spell, but what I predominantly smell is that peach and that raspberry, okay? It's very fruity, and I love that. It's a juicy, fruity scent. Oh, it smells so good. It's got a sweetness to it, but not candy sweet. It's just a fruity sweetness, very fresh. Because Love Spell, I would even categorize as being like a fresh scent traditionally. And this hits the mark. And they do peach so well. I talked about the Coco peach line from Pink. I did do a video on that, and this is the thumbnail for that one. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out whenever you have a moment. It's Love Spell with a bit of a summer glow to it, okay? And this ain't even really summer, because I know they're gonna do something for summer, but it's like, you know, ushering it in. And I love that so much. Let me get into the lotion too. Ooh. It's very citrusy. The lotion is giving citrus. Oh man, this is so good. I think if you haven't visited Love Spell in a while, this would be a nice reintroduction because it's going to take you back, but it's also going to propel you forward a little bit because it's a refreshed version of it. This was like, I had to get it. Of the four, I was like, I know I'm getting this for sure because it smells so good. So love that one. Okay, and then I went ahead and picked up Pure Seduction. I gotta say, it's usually a tie for me between Velvet Petals and Pure Seduction on which one is coming home with me, okay? Velvet Petals, 9 times out of 10 is gonna go home, but sometimes Miss Pure Seduction puts the seduction on and I have to take her with me, okay? The notes are Magnolia Petals, Juicy Watermelon, Pure Seduction makes a splash, and they categorize Pure Seduction splash as a fruity floral. Okay, so back with me in florals, I know. Yeah, so the notes are Magnolia Petals, Juicy Watermelon, and Liquid Citrus. So the packaging, they all share the same kind of sea blue with a gradient into a different color. Here we have the red, which also signifies Pure Seduction. We traditionally see it in red packaging. And then the lotion bottle has, again, this aquatic theme, some floral elements here, some of that red metallic, like little fairy dust star stuff they put on here, and the cute blue metallic cap, okay? This one, yes. This is the reason why I wanted this one. Wow, this smells like, now when I say it, you're gonna be like, but walk with me. When I smelled this in the store and right now, I was like, red Kool-Aid, okay? Red Kool-Aid, I don't know the flavor. I just know that it's red and I'm gonna put a lot of sugar in it. It was giving red Kool-Aid, but not in a bad way. It's giving sweet floral, like it's, you know, it has the magnolia petals, but for me, it's that watermelon. It's not as pronounced as like a pink watermelon from Bath and Body Works or even the watermelon mojito, not watermelon lemonade. It's a different watermelon element here, but it's a fruity floral as they categorize it, so they did that. I love this, and I think this would smell so good in the summertime or just warmer weather. If you're already in a warm climate, go ahead and pick it up, okay? And put the sundress on and have a good night, okay? I really love it. It's not, it's not sweet. No, I wouldn't say this is sweet. It's just floral and pretty. It's very pretty. I love it. It has a little bit to me of the element of the traditional Pure Seduction, but what I did like about these two scents in particular, Love Spell and Pure Seduction, it really did take it to a different place. It's not so much like I said Bare Vanilla was just like, Bare Vanilla. These are like, okay, we're actually doing something different. We're twisting it up. We are revamping it. So I really do like these two out of the four. Definitely check them all out because you know your taste preferences may be different. So yes, that is the new Splash collection from Victoria's Secret. Let me know if you are interested in any of these scents. Are you more of a, I just gotta stick to the core, I stick to the OGs, or do you like the flankers? Do you like a little variation? I particularly love when they do this. I think it's so fun and exciting, and I just like to see how they can, like, you know, take something that we all know and are familiar with to the next level. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like body care, personal care, a little, you know, nails, a little fashion, a little what have you, definitely feel free to peruse the channel. And if you see any other videos that you like, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. So next time you get the greeting and you're like, I'm in there, like swimwear, okay? So thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. May God bless you. Bye.